Hey, in this video I want to show you a problem that quite often occurs. It's one of those sort of common typos, but it can be really frustrating if you're not familiar with it. And it's caught me a few times, so I thought I'd share this with you and hopefully help you avoid this situation. So let's say we have a variable, call it a, and we'll give it a value of 10. And we're going to have an if statement that checks the value of this variable. So we'll say if a equals 10, then console.print hello world. So that's it, really nice and simple. I'm going to hit F5, and as you can see, it prints hello world to the console, so you may think everything is working okay. But there's a problem. Let's say I change A to 20. So now we'll expect it to not print anything to the console. I'm going to hit F5, and as you can see, it still prints hello world to the console, even though A is 20. We can even change the name of the variable. We'll change it to B. And I'll hit F5, and it still says hello world. So what's going on here? Well, the mistake I've made is I've added a semicolon at the end of the if. And that shouldn't be there because a semicolon indicates at the end of a line. So this is basically just ignoring the if statement and just going straight to the console.print. So we're going to get rid of that semicolon now. And I'll hit F5 again, and it's not going to work because A doesn't equal 10 because there isn't anything called A. So we'll just set that back to how it was, and now it works just fine. So yeah, just keep an eye out. If you get this kind of error where things are not working as expected, you won't get any kind of warning about it, you won't get any message, nothing will be printed in the console to tell you where the problem is. But just check, if it's an if statement that's not working as expected, just see if you accidentally put a semicolon at the end. I've done it numerous times. As you're typing away, you just hit the semicolon automatically when you reach the end of a line. Alright, I hope this can help you out. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.